Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, you are going to learn how to build your first application using Flask Web Framework, right? So let's get started and let's see how to do that. So before going directly to this Flask application, firstly we will set up the environment in which we are going to install the packages related to this Flask, because Flask is not inbuilt in your Python, so we have to install it separately. And to install that part, I'm going to use the environment in which I will install everything, right? And after that we will get started with creating your first application using Flask Web Framework. So let's get started and let's create a project. So for creating a project, I'm going to use PyCharm in my rest of the sessions, right? So for that I'm opening PyCharm, right? So this is how I'm going to do it. So for that, let's create a new project, and in here just give it a name. Let's say Flask project, right? And for that I have to create an environment, or let's say I have to set up an environment in which I'm going to install my application, or let's say in which I'm going to install the packages which are actually required for the Flask Web Framework, right? So for that I'm going to give it a name as Flask env, right? And the interpreter which I am using is Python 3.7, right? And just create it, this window. So you can see your Flask project is ready and also your environment is set up, right? Now our next step is to install that application, or let's say to install that Flask package to this environment so that we can further use it to build your first application, right? So for that I'm going to this terminal, so just click on the terminal, right? And in here you have to type one command to install Flask, and that command is pip install Flask, and just press enter. So the installation is done. Now we can start with the project and we can build a first application using your Flask Web Framework, right? So to do that part, let's just create your first file, right? So just go to new, go to Python file, and just give it a name, something, let's say hello world.py, right? So this is what I'm giving a name, right? And in here I have to call this module, right? So the module is named as Flask, but from that Flask I have to call a class which is named as Flask, right? So for that I have to write from Flask import Flask, right? So this is how I have just called this class from the Flask package, right? Now after that, your first step is to build the object related to this Flask so that you can further build your first application, right? Because this is the main step that you have to take. Without this step you won't be able to redirect the multiple APIs to different routings, right? So this is what exactly I have to do. So for that, let's create an object and just give it a name. Let's say I'm giving it a name as app, and after that just write Flask within brackets, and in here you have to pass the import name, and that name is name, right? So this is what exactly we have to pass. And after that, just because we have to create the first application, for that first application we have to create a function, right? But that function is not directly created. That function will be created with respect to this app that you have created here, just because this is going to give you the routing, right? Or you can say this is going to give you an API with the complete path for that, right? So let me show you how to do that. So for that, just write @app dot route within brackets, and within quotations just pass where it should call this function which you are going to write here, right? So for now I'm writing slash over here, and what is this slash, that you will understand just after the execution of this program, right? So let me just create a function for this, and after that you will see how it works, right? Let's give it a name as message, right? And in here what exactly I want to do, I want to return and what I want to return, I want to return hello world, because this is my first message and I just want to check that whether it's working or not, right? So I'm done with this part. This is my complete function which I have created with respect to this Flask application which I am creating, right? And after that, just write a condition to make it work. So just give it a name, double equal to double underscore main double underscore colon, and just type app dot run. So what this will do is this will execute your program, and also it will show you an API, or let's say this will show you a URL from where you have to check this output, just because when you're going to run this application, you're not going to get the output on the run window. Instead, you will have to open a URL where you will be able to see this output, right? So let me just run this, and after that you will be able to see what exactly I was saying and how exactly it works, right? So this is what exactly I was saying. Now just run this. So here you will see it is not showing you the output over here. Instead, it is showing you the path, like it is running on this particular location. So you have to copy and paste it or directly click on this, and it will be opened in the browser, and there you will see this message which you are displaying over here, right? So right now I'm just displaying hello world. Similarly, you can open anything else as well, right? So this is how we will see the output over here, right? So for that, you can see you are able to see the output as hello world. So this is the message that you have passed here with respect to this, right? Similarly, let me just improve this as well, just because you can see the font size is very small. So let me just make it a heading, and accordingly I will use the HTML tag for this part, right? So let me just run this, and I want to run it as per this heading one, right? Now I am saving it. Let's see, is it making any changes? No, it's not making any changes. So for now, just close it and rerun it, right? Now when you will rerun this again, refresh this page, so you will see this time you are able to see the changes directly, hello world, right? So this is how you can build your first application, and accordingly you can see how you can create your web page with respect to this Flask framework, right? So this is how you can do it, right? So now you have seen how you can run this page, and also you have seen that you have to stop the program every time you want to run it. So that is it from my side. In the next video, I will definitely show you how to just not to stop this application and how to get the changes without stopping it, right? So that I will show you in the next session, right? So that is it from my side. So if you are having any kind of difficulties in this topic, then you can definitely leave a comment below in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, then do click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any kind of videos from my side. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.